Today's video is about driving fails, how to not drive and bad drivers. As usual, there's a bonus video at the end. I reported this to the school district and sent them this video. It was really strange, and if he had used his blinkers, I would have given him plenty of room, as I respect school buses and their drivers. Close call with an idiot driving the wrong way on Highway 1 in Victoria.
Holy shit!
Whoa! Holy fuck! A fucking asshole driving the wrong way.
This idiot thinks he's playing a video game, swerving around and cutting everybody off on the freeway. It's all fun until someone's family dies. I see reckless drivers like this in Southern California every other day.
Properly born, was biologically born, actually spiritually and sort of born. And Beckett, properly born, was biologically born, actually spiritually and sort of born. And Beckett's was
about it.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
Gosh! Instant besties. Ah!
Keep right to exit 110.
Well, he didn't check his mirrors.
We almost just died.
Did he take a recording?
The woman in the Jeep was texting on her phone. Impatient driver passes the pickup, the Jeep, and me on the left shoulder. I was doing 70 miles per hour by the time I got in the left lane.
Jordan my tongue when I'm on my king shit. 12s out of 10, the only type of hoes I link with.
Half asleep Saturn driver wasn't paying attention and almost lost his car.
enjoy. Stay committed to returning to love, and you can trust that you are allowed.
The white pickup truck suddenly sped up and swerved into my lane, maybe trying to give way to merging traffic and almost hit me. If I hadn't swung into the dividing lane, an accident would have occurred.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, did you see what else he just did?
In the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.